At ayun na nga, ang inaasahan nga ng taong bayan na sinasabi ni Melvin Matibag ay may mga matitindi at matitibay daw silang mga ebidensyang ipepresenta ngayon sa impeachment trial laban kay Vice President Sara. Pero wala naman pala at naging palpak pa. Nadiskubre kasi ni Attorney Vin Luan na sablay ang mga dokumento na naman, tila may dagdag bawas sa mga naunang namarkahan na ebidensya ng prosecution team. Eto, nadiskubre ni Atty. Vin Luan at tinawag pa niyang scrap paper ang mga dokumentong ipinipresenta ngayon ni Jinky Luistro at ni Melvin Matibag. Eto ang video, panoorin natin.
Just an additional comment, Your Honor.
Counsel may proceed.
It appears that the two documents are not the same in that the marked documents
Ayun.
contains a page and attached thereto is an USB. However, the copy of Director Matibag does not contain that page, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Counsel.
It appears, Your Honor, that the two documents are not the same.
What two documents are you referring to?
The marked exhibit and the set of documents from Director Matibag. With all due respect, Your Honor, the copy that was marked contains a page with annexes, including a USB, and such page does not appear in the copy provided by Director Matibag.
Scripted
So
nga.
the copy of Director Matibag does not contain a page with an attached USB.
That's correct, Your Honor. It's incomplete.
Huli.
Does counsel for the prosecutors, assisting counsel for the prosecutors, or lead counsel confirm that? For the record?
We confirm, Your Honor. Nevertheless, the representation of the witness is that the copy is his own copy
We confirm.
and does not pertain to the copy of the prosecution. And we will be willing, Your Honor, to use the pre-marked copy for the purpose of confirmation of the witness, Your Honor.
Umami na rin
If
kayo.
you have it with you, counsel, why not just use that copy?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that we can go directly to it, unless there are any reservations from the
We are
counsel.
okay, Your Honor, if I may be recognized. We are okay with confronting the witness with his own copy, Your Honor. But again, we manifest that it was not the document that was marked and it does not contain the USB. Moreover, just an additional manifestation, the marked copy or marked set contains a stamp certified true copy, but it was not signed by anyone and there was no date provided.
Ayun.
Duly noted. Again, this without prejudice to the counsel for the prosecutor, furnishing counsel for respondent with a copy of the exact document produced by Director Matibag for further comparison and or observation either during cross or future proceedings later on.
We submit, Your Honor.
Your Honor, just a correction. There was a stamp, Your Honor, and a signature, but there was no name. Just for the record.
Oh.
Duly noted for the record.
With the permission of the court, we'll be using the pre-marked document, Your Honor, for the purpose of confirmation.
Likewise, for the information of the counsel for respondent, would that be okay?
Then we take exception to that, Your Honor, because it was not the one that was identified by the witness in open court.
Diba?
What he identified was his own copy, and that copy does not contain any USB. So he does not have. He will be incompetent to testify on a pre-marked
Yes.
exhibit that he did not submit or participate in.
The exhibits can be later on compared to with a certified true copy at a later date, as has been previously done by the parties. In the meantime, Chair will allow the witness to use his copy without prejudice to any differences that may be shown either through cross or through the comparison after a copy shall have been furnished to the counsel for respondents.
Continuing objection, Your Honor.
So ordered.
May
Continuing
we
objection is
confirm, Your
noted.
Honor, which copy we will be using for
The counsel
confirmation?
produced by Director Matibag will be the one that will be used.
Mr.
For the
Witness, kanina, binanggit mo ang Tokhang, Laod Quarry, at ang Vice Presidente. Saang partikular na bahagi
Napunta na sa
ng
Tokhang.
affidavit ni Arturo Las Cañas
Ah.
na ipinapakita mo ngayon tumutukoy dito sa mga binanggit mo.
Pati sila
Objection, Your
Scanias.
Honor. Then that already goes into the contents of such affidavit.
Yes.
And since the witness is not the one who executed the affidavit, then he has no personal knowledge and incompetent to answer that
Tama.
question.
Your Honor, may I respond?
Moreover, the court already ruled, Your Honor.
Counsel for the prosecutor may respond before the court rules on the objection.
Your Honor, the witness is merely pointing to that pertinent portion of the affidavit. And later, Your Honor, for the record, we will just be asking him to read into the records.
Just short rejoinder, Your Honor.
Counsel for the respondent may give his rejoinder.
Objection, the document will speak for itself.
Chair sustains the objection, counsel for the prosecutors. The document will speak for itself, and the document will be furnished to the senator judges anyway, given that it's part of the annexes. Let the witness merely testifies to the fact that he included the affidavit of Mr. Las Cañas as part of his investigation and part of his narration of his investigation to prove, quote, pattern of violence. But again, not as to the truth and the contents of the affidavit itself. Move on, counsel.
So wala palang document dito
With
yung
that, Your Honor,
prosecution.
we will be requesting for the submarking
Hayop
of the
talaga tong si
pertinent
Luis,
portion of the affidavit of Arturo Las Cañas, the witness already referred to.
Again, only as to tenor, but not as to the truth, counsel. For the record and for the information of the senator judges, you may do so.
For purposes, Your Honor, of reference, which particular portion to be submarked, Your Honor? May we ask the witness to make reference or point which part of that affidavit he is referring to?
In his investigation, counsel.
Same objection, Your Honor.
As part of his investigation, witness may answer.
As part of our investigation, ang importante po para sa amin dito, in establishing the pattern of violence is yung paragraph 270 and paragraph 270B and paragraph 270D. 270.
For purposes of submarking, Your Honor, may we ask which particular part of paragraph 270 the witness first referred to?
Kahagulo na sila.
Your Honor, manifestation.
Counsel for respondent may proceed.
All right. Your Honor, this pertains to an affidavit of Arturo Las Cañas. And on page 186, Your Honor, of such affidavit, it appears that even the signature is not a wet signature. It's a
Oh.
printed copy. And there's a subscription and sworn to portion thereof. But it's not notarized at all.
Ay.
So this is a mere scrap of paper, Your Honor.
Ayun lang.
Counsel,
Your Honor, the document is being presented only to seek confirmation from the
Wala.
witness that he is referring to this particular document as part of the investigation of Special
Scrap
Task
paper
Force.
na yan.
We are not presenting it. Your Honor, is whether or not this is the document that was part of the consideration of the Special Task Force in investigating on the threat by
Just a-
the President to the life of the
Just a short
President.
rejoinder, Your Honor.
counsel may give a rejoinder
Then-
or additional manifestation.
Then we will not allow this witness to build on the basis of a mere scrap of paper, Your Honor.
Counsel, it was the counsel for respondent who chose to use this copy instead of the one previously marked. That I presume is either certified true or contains a more complete signature.
Then I would have to clarify, Your Honor, that it is our position. Well, it's first of all, we are not in the position to choose for this witness. But in the event that they use this document, we manifest, Your Honor, upon perusal that such document is unsigned and unnotarized, Your Honor. This is an affidavit. So in other words, without the proper notarization and without the proper signature, then it is a mere scrap of paper. We cannot allow this witness to build
Scrap
his
of
testimony based on this document.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, in fact, Your Honor, we request, Your Honor, that this court peruse also page 186 of such document.
Before the court the presiding officer makes a ruling, the
Your Honor.
pre-marked document, is it notarized?
Your Honor, may I raise a question to the witness so that he will answer and enlighten us on
Makulit
why
din si
the document
Luistro.
is not notarized?
You may, counsel. So you're admitting that it's not even
Yes,
your
Your
pre-marked
Honor.
copy is not notarized, whether we use that copy or this one.
We
Inam-
admit to that, Your Honor.
Ay,
The
yari.
witness will please explain why he is using in his investigation a document and or affidavit that is not
Notarized.
subscribed to or under oath. So it is not even an affidavit, but merely a statement.
Scrap of paper
Alam niyo
nga
po,
daw.
Your Honor, sa law enforcement po, meron po tayo mga tinatawag na open source intel. At ito po ay pinadala sa atin at atin pong susundan. At kaya nga po, ang aming pong investigasyon ay isang continuing investigation, open, continuing and active investigation, sapagkat ito bang ganitong dokumento ay amin ding ikukumpara pa. Subalit malaki po ang value ng mga itong bagay sa amin.
Ay, malaki
Sapagkat ito po ang
value.
nagbibigay rin sa amin ng direksyon at mga leads upang amin pong magampanan ang amin pong tungkulin na mag-imbestiga.
So for the second time and for the sake of clarity, and then for the information and guidance of the senator judges, the document being identified by the witness is unsigned, is not notarized, not under oath, and it is only as to the fact that they used this document in their investigation or as part of their investigation, but not as to the truth of the allegations contained in that unsubscribed document that was not made under oath.
Also unsigned, Your Honor. Sorry.
Unsigned.
Also
May I make
unsigned
a
because there's a
manifestation, Your Honor?
signature, but it appears to be a photocopy, so
Scrap.
it doesn't qualify as a signature.
With the additional manifestation of the respondent, so noted. What is the manifestation of the counsel for the prosecutors?
Your Honor, based on the ICC,
La,
as relayed to us by our
napunta na sa ICC.
witness in the next article or in the last article that we will present, the ICC does not require notarization of document.
Noted, but we are not the ICC counsel. Again, we're just placing on the record and for the record the factual situation concerning the document that the witness is testifying to for the information and guidance of the senator judges. Counsel for the panel of prosecutors, may proceed.
Kaya sa Luistro doon, ano? Pati ICC dinamay. Wala naman tayo sa ICC. Hindi naman tayo ICC. So doon kayo mag-impeachment. Mag-impeachment trial Luistro doon sa ICC. Ayan tuloy. Nasabon ka tuloy ni Jesus Escudero, but we're not ICC. Nasa Pinas po tayo, Luistro. Diyos ko po, gising-gising. Masyado na kasi kayong nahalata ngayon sa script ninyo, pati yung mga dokumento ninyo. Ay, hindi naman pala notarized, hindi pala pirmado. So bakit ninyo gagamitin ito na ebidensya laban kay VP Sara tapos ginamit niyo pa sila Kanyas? O kaya ngayon, masakit ang katotohanan na scrap of paper lamang ang inyong dokumento. Wala kayong mga matitibay na ebidensya. At gaya nga sabi mo, Luistro, inadmit mo na hindi notarized ang inyong mga dokumento. So sa round na ito, ay wala na kayo. Talo na kayo. O ngayon, nabuko kayo na may problema sa inyong mga documents. Kunwari, kayo, confident. Meron kayong mga matitibay na ebidensya pero in the end, wala naman pala. Nadiskubre pa ng defense team lawyer ni Vice President Sara na ang inyong mga ipinipresentang mga dokumento ay palpak, sablay. At parang script na lamang ang inyong sinasabi dyan kasama ng inyong mga witness kuno laban kay VP Sara. So ang ating word of the day ngayon ay scrap of paper. Yan ang dokumento ng mga prosecution team laban kay VP Sara. Ano ang inyong opinion? I-share mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at like sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.